Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the truth about overlanding videos. So please stay tuned, you're gonna be pretty surprised. Hi guys, Jordan from ALNSM Overland here. Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are here today I'm gonna give it a quick look and explore this forest a bit. Look like someone forgot this. Well, it looked like someone forgot his Overland trailer. Remove small branches like this so I can avoid any damage on the car. I wish I had more time, you know, to just stay here, camp, and I wish I had more time, you know, just to stay here. Holy shit, mate! Oh god. Oh crap. Okay, so I'm halfway on the top of this. Second time. Hey guys, I'm not gonna lie, in the last sandy uphill section I was a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I've made it through and safely, and this is it, guys. I finally reached the end of this beautiful track. So I really hope you liked it, and that was pretty funny, right? I decided to make this behind the scene just to show you how my videos are made. You can see that sometimes it's really not smooth and I struggle to speak English. I'm actually thinking about making one video like this every month. What do you think about it? Maybe we can even pick the video together on Instagram? Anyway, I hope you had a good laugh. This idea come from my girlfriend because she did a behind the scene video last week on her YouTube channel. So you can check it out, or maybe show it to your wife, girlfriend or sister. Don't forget to tell me what you think of it in the comment section down below. Also, I invite you to have a look to my Instagram account and to my Facebook page. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next week!